Okay guys, here I am. It's pitch dark. It's dark, and that's what it means to work hard. We are working our butt off, okay, to make money. It's good money, but we have to work. So yeah, so here we just finished. Drum roll, applause, applause, applause. So we are done, guys. It's really late, but the job is done. We don't have to come back, and that's amazing. It's awesome. I love it. It's beautiful. I just had to whisper that to you. Look at this. We put the stones, okay? So here we have one little flower there. We'll go put it in the mailbox. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Simply beautiful. It's gorgeous. Now here all we have to do is really blow it. The only regrets I have is that we didn't blow it before we put the mulch, because this needs a good blowing. We cannot put mulch here because it's some beautiful stones that they have here. So okay, and then here, look at that. Look how pretty is that. And we have the mulch sample, so we don't go by what we like. At our house, we put the mulch that we want. But for the customers, we let them choose the color that they like. But personally, Mr. Joe really loves the red one, so he likes it, and the customer chose the red one, so that works for him. Okay, so here and here, guys. Pumay ko sama. Alwal ba po, no? Look. Ooh. Cellphone sa fine. Okay, so we're making this circle here. It's looking nice. I'm out of breath because it's really hot. So forward Louis. Yeah, so and then we're gonna plant these flowers. The client went out, or customer went out and got their own flowers for us, and they were shocked by how much they paid for these two, what do they call these again? Trays. These two trays of flowers, and this is one, but they are just gorgeous. I have to admit, they're beautiful. So we're fixing here. We're surrounded with rocks, stones. Looks nice. And we have 3 places to do. Here's one tree, but I think the amount of rocks that they have is not going to be enough. We have this one, so the roots of this tree is not as mature yet, and they're not out. So we might go with the weed eater and just the edger. I'm sorry. We might go with the edger and make the edge real nice. And that's what we might do with this one, because the rocks are not going to be enough. And there is the other place where we're going to put the flowers. Mailbox. Okay, here's